Hi, miss. Can you take us a tour on the room here?
Sure. Welcome to the Enchantment of the Seas bedroom number 3103.
Wow.
Over here we have our bathroom.
Please silence your cell phones and refrain from
With really nice shower. We have our closet here.
For Operation Little Bear, you will board a Royal Caribbean cruise ship.
With some hangers and the life jackets.
Wow.
Desk area with mirror.
We believe this to be the famed Bresna.
Our bottles of wine. We have our television.
Yeah.
Our really comfortable bed.
It's big. It's the same size as my bed.
Yeah.
And that's it.
This is our room.
Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day.
Illuminate my future bright, so thankful for everything. Rejuvenating my inner light as I work hard for all I need. Open arms, embracing life and all of which you gave to me. Hard work, it pays off, I'm happy now, it's paying me. Close my eyes sometimes and feel as if I float away. I love the life I live and enjoy the ride along the way. I'll make a living out of living, yeah, that's what I say. I got one life to live and I wouldn't live in no other way.
Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, cause I love my occupation. Hey, I'm on vacation every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day. Every single day, every single day.
Alright, this woman's gonna find us a nice dining hall. No clue how. But she's going to. There's actually a lot of space here. Whoa.
Dining?
Yeah.
That one is on board promotion.
That's definitely not ours.
It's only promotion for tonight.
There we go.
Black.
Map it.
Goodbye.
Dude, we're right here right now. Stairs. See you on deck 9. Oh, it tells us ship navigation. There we go. We go to the front of the boat. On which floor?
Right now we're on the 4th. We have to go to deck 9. So we have to take the elevator up.
So Nicole, are you seasick yet?
No, not yet.
I don't think you will.
No,
You feel tired still?
a little bit. But it's wearing off a little bit now.
Yeah, right. You just almost fell asleep on camera.
Bye.